For the first time in history, humans will no longer be the primary actors in the economy. Machines will. And while this might sound scary, this is actually one of the greatest opportunities mankind has ever seen. Let's get one thing straight. The age of automation is no longer something that's coming. It's already here. Amazon alone has more than 1 million robots at work already and plans to automate hundreds of thousands of human jobs in the coming years. And it's not just physical labor. Microsoft's research shows that almost no profession is safe, be it designers, be it lawyers, or software engineers. Our entire economic system is at a tipping point, and change is happening at an unprecedented pace. And it's really down to us if the age of automation is amplifying our existing problems, or if we take the opportunity to build a better system. And this moment might be our best chance to change our trajectory.
We hear the world is more connected, advanced, and efficient than ever before. And that's true. We're expected to live longer, and more people have access to things like healthcare and education. But the foundations of our global economy are breaking. Our system can't even take the weight of the present day, let alone the challenges that artificial intelligence and robotics will bring. And there are two main breaking points: access and design. If we talk about access to participation or ownership in our economy is gatekept by a few companies. We have less social mobility, and our system concentrates wealth and power. But beyond all this, the system we have today is simply not designed for the rise of the robots. Everything we do in today's economy is intermediated. It's skimmed by middlemen. Value leaks away from the people and machines who create it. It's inefficient, essentially meaning that a few companies will own and control this entire new workforce. As we enter the age of AI and robotics, these breaking points will be pushed to their extremes. In a world where intelligence is a commodity and robots can do anything we can do better, the question of who gets to own them is fundamental.
What we need is a system that can get the most out of machines in the best interests of humanity. What we need is a human-centric machine economy. An open system where all machines can connect, communicate, and create value. And where that value is not concentrated into the hands of a few companies, but accessible to anyone. Imagine, instead of autonomous vehicles and robots being yet another service you pay for, you co-own and earn from them. So every time you order a taxi, delivery, or anything in the machine economy, you earn something back. That's positive sum, win-win, rather than the I win, you lose, zero-sum game we're used to. And it's exactly what we can achieve by building the machine economy on-chain. Anyone, anywhere, can build, vote, and earn without asking for approval. And this isn't just a system that's better for humanity, it's technologically superior. It's faster, it's frictionless, and there's no middleman. And it's this exact system, the human-centric machine economy, that we're building with Peak.
The human-centric machine economy has the potential to be the most powerful value creation system humanity has ever seen. If we get it right, it has the potential to power a literal age of abundance. An age where the more value machines create, the more everyone stands to earn. A system that frees us to fulfill our higher purpose. Less time doing jobs we're not passionate about. More time expressing ourselves creatively, exploring, connecting. It sounds almost too good to be true, but with a human-centric machine economy, it's possible.
If there's one thing I hope you take with you from watching this video, then it's that the machine economy is coming. And the course we're on right now is not pretty, but we can course correct. Do we want to end up in a machine economy that's built on old, inefficient rails and where the value is concentrated to a few people? Or do we create a new system, one that's open, more efficient, and creates even more value? A system in which all of us can own and earn from this new economy. The human-centric machine economy. A path to the age of abundance.